But anyway, so we're really grateful to our sponsors. Thanks very much to them, Fujifilm in particular for their platinum sponsorship, Olympus and Boston, thanks for your support. We're grateful we couldn't do it without you. ESG and BSGI, thanks for your support as well. So today we focused on colonoscopy and polypectomy. We talked about in the first session, by highlighting a culture of excellence, how we could likely reduce rates of post-colonoscopy colorectal cancer. We talked about using bowel preparation and ADR, bowel preparation endoscopist technique to drive up ADR and down rates of incomplete colonoscopy. We found out that there are some simple things you can do tomorrow to improve your ADR, which reflects in the right colon. Completely image the cecum and use a distal attachment. We talked about blink, look for a demarcated area and image it carefully to detect visible cancer in polyps. And if you see nothing, consider buried cancer in polyps with large nodules. We talked in the AI session about how, despite impressive advances, AI is potentially not ready for prime time. And if you don't show polyps to AI, there is zero chance that they will be detected or that you will improve your adenoma detection rate with AI. So that took me 3 minutes nearly to read all that, and that summarized the whole day. There's a huge amount of learning in today, and I hope that you found it useful, and I hope that you will take it forward into your endoscopy practice, because in the end of the day, that's the reason why we're doing this, to improve the effectiveness and safety of endoscopic procedures around the world. Finally, we already set a date for the next edition for those of you watching. So GIEQs 5 will happen on the 26th and 27th of September 2024. Put this in your diary, and I hear a little slight intake of breath from everyone in the room because they realize they have to do it again at that point. But by then, they'll have forgotten this. All right. So that's the end of, thank you so much, guys. That's the end of GIEQs 4. Those of you online who are still watching this, which I can't imagine why you are, but if you are, then please go and catch up on everything, and we'll see you again next year. So thanks very much, and it's goodbye from Ghent until 2024.